Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Halloween Ghost Hanging Decor. These tree huggers comes with two designs. The Halloween ghost hanging is made of single-layered fabric with wire core inside. These wired fabric ghosts are friendly and not scary but definitely add that Halloween touch. This decorate for your Halloween party with these fun spooky ghost-shaped hanging decorations. At number 3 we have Larigia Halloween Skeleton Decor. The jaw of the skull can adjust the opening and closing of the mouth. The palm can be adjusted at the wrist. The pile can be moved to adjust the posture when inserting the soil. The wire on the crow's foot is easy for fixing. They all work well. Each body part bones are made with hard durable plastic that will not break easily. At number 2 we have Black Magic Witch Moon Mirror Decor. This beautiful moon phases mirror sets are made of wooden panel with smooth surface premium acrylic material. This unique acrylic moon phase decor mirrors are just for you. At number 1 we have Namnu Black Felt Decor. This coffin black letterboard is perfect for year-round spooky lovers that are into gothic decor, witch and vampire decor, skulls or coffin decor. You can picture your visitors entering your dark goth home with black curtains, welcomed by a witchy message on your Halloween letterboard. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decors for your need.